name is Cheryl, and I was a patient at Loma University Medical Center, where I underwent a robotic-assisted surgery in 2008. It's been a long process trying to get resolution to the problems I had with extreme bleeding, and it was becoming debilitating on my job. So it was really causing severe medical issues. My gynecologist tried a thermal ablation, which did not work. It actually made my symptoms worse, and so I went in for a consult about a hysterectomy, and he intended to do a traditional hysterectomy, which means I would be left with no ovaries or whatnot. I was not satisfied with that answer. That is when I then contacted Loma to get a second opinion. The consult alone was more time than I had ever spent with a doctor. I had never heard of robotic surgery prior to my experience. Dr. Bali had shown me some footage on how accurate that the procedure was, and I was overwhelmed with how accurate it was. Dr. Bali reassured me that this was the best course of treatment because it was so minimally invasive, and my recovery time would be so much quicker than the traditional hysterectomy. And the fact that he would spare my ovaries, which he said that would definitely help, in your aging process and your bone density and all of this. So he did go into quite a lot of detail about the procedure and the pros and cons. And he said this is ideal for someone like yourself, as active as you are. I was a very active individual, liked to exercise nearly every day. As an avid dog walker, runner, liked to lift weights in the gym and everything. And he assured me that the recovery time would be probably cut in half from a traditional hysterectomy. Within 4 days, I was up and out walking my dog. So I was pretty amazed by that, because I followed his recommendations, and just plenty of fluids, plenty of rest. I was ready to start running again, I would say within about 4 weeks. As a result of the surgery, I decided to become a volunteer. I was so impressed with my treatment throughout the entire process that I just wanted to get back to the community and to Loma and to show my appreciation. So it's given me a whole sense of renewed hope in many areas of my life, this surgery. It hasn't just affected my physical being, but it's affected many levels of my life.